How to make the right decision when everything feels unclear. Have you ever been stuck between two choices and nothing feels clear? Like, should I change my job or stay? Should I take that risk or play it safe? Today I'll share 3 steps that help you to make the right decision even when everything feels foggy. Step 1. Pause and create distance. When everything feels unclear, our first instinct is to overthink. But overthinking doesn't bring clarity. It brings more stress. So, step 1. Pause. Step away from the decision, even for 24 hours, and let your mind calm down. Step 2. Define the real question. Most confusion comes from asking the wrong question. Instead of asking, should I quit my job or not? Ask like this: what exactly makes me satisfied or frustrated at work? When you have the right question, the answer will be much more clear. Step 3. Future self-test. Imagine yourself 6 months or 1 year after now, already having made decision. Ask, do I feel peace in progress of this decision? Or I feel stuck? This simple test often gives you surprising clarity. So next time everything feels unclear, remember: first, pause. Second, define the right question. Third, do the future self-test. And if you want more clarity and guidance in your personal decision, you can book a coaching session with me. The link is right below this video. Also, share in the comments, what's one decision in your life right now that feels unclear? I might talk about it in the future video. So till next time, stay safe. Bye-bye.